Alright guys, we're gonna be cooking eggs today. I mean an egg sandwich. So let's get on to it.
Cobie, you need to get a pan. Cobie,
What?
you need get a goddamn pan. Dude, why are you videoing it? Get the oil. So oil up.
Bro, can I fucking reach it?
No fucking way. Just reach the small. Wait, where the hell? Wait, can you hold this, Cobie? Can you hold this? Hold it. Okay.
We're gonna use salt.
Yeah, salt and black pepper.
Where is the salt at?
Wait.
We're making a video too.
Friendship is a dream ship. What was the saying again?
Where's the hole of this salt?
Give me this, the
Hold it,
tiny
hold it,
holes. There. Be crazy, bro, for content. Don't add too much, because that was the pepper that I accidentally, and that's what happened.
Yeah, that's okay.
Yeah, okay, go. The oil. Cobie, can you hold it? Hold it. No, this one, bro. What the hell?
Nice cook right there.
I'm sipping on romanticy. Be my friend. My friend. We need more oil.
What we
Ron,
gonna...
is this enough oil? Or should I add more?
Okay, look at this gas.
So, guys, you gotta piss. Wait, why is the goddamn sink dripping? With the bagel on. Wait, run! Why is it that color?
It's
That's not
that
normal.
color. It's because of the pepper.
Should we add more eggs or no?
You.
Let's go.
It's add cheese.
Can't. Teamwork makes dream work.
Give me true. How can you do a flashlight?
Ah.
How can you do a
Can I mix it?
flashlight?
Because
Eggy. Hey, you're doing it wrong.
I use a goddamn whisk then.
Look, this is the right. Put on the heat. This is how you do it.
Yeah, I know.
Put that heat. Put some oil. See that heat? You're gonna get fire. in
Dude,
there, guys.
Cobie, I don't know. What's wrong with you?
Oil.
Wait, add some Nutella. Oh yeah. I'm joking, bro. You're gonna add more salt? Wait, bro, run. I think that's enough, bro. Wait, shake it. Go. Go fast.
Bro,
Oh, you're adding so much fucking pepper, bro. It's gonna... This time, we're not gonna make a sandwich. This time, we're gonna eat rice this time. Wait, no, no, never mind. Sandwich. I like a sandwich like a right, my rights.
Do you have bro, do you have bread?
I'm gonna turn it off, okay? Wait, bro, we forgot the most important thing. A fucking spatula.
Oh. It's okay.
Use this, fuck it. Just use this.
No, it's okay, we don't need...
You're gonna use the spoon? It's your choice. Oh, bro, it's here. Here. Yo, this is what Cobie spoon eats out of. Ah. Dude, it can fill the whole thing.
Can we get cheese?
Why?
Egg with cheese.
Nah.
Egg
Sorry.
and grilled cheese and then.
We don't have cheese. We don't have cheese.
What about the Eden?
Oh. No, don't add cheese, bro. Don't. You never add cheese into eggs. You add lollipops.
It's so good when you add cheese to egg. What the fuck? Kasam?
Dude, just come on, bro. Yeah, it's on. Come on.
Turn it on. What even is this? Oh.
Okay, bro, it's done. Come on, put it in.
Oh, a puppy. Guys.
Oh, you need to mix it, mince in.
This is mine now.
Okay. Stop. That's Cobie. Just to remind you, that's possibly expired. Possibly. Grab the spatula. The spatula.
What do we scramble? Like break it, like not flat or break it.
What do you mean?
Like make it become scrambled, like actually scrambled.
Yeah, literally scrambled. But not in the pan. You know, man, it's your choice.
Turn it more lower.
Yeah, fuck. There. Higher or lower?
Lower. Put on the heat.
That's the lowest one. Stop saying heat. Dude, how is my dad still sleeping? Oh yeah, rule for my dad, if we cook, we need to wash the dishes after. The one where we made. Cobie, can you hold the video? I'ma cook I'ma wash them dishes.
How many bread is there?
I'm not sure. Take a look.
Cobie, take a look.
Where?
Bro, I'm holding a fucking phone.
Oh, okay. It's never mind. After I wash this dish, then you can check.
You want it soft or kinda not soft?
It's your choice. You're cooking it. You're the cook. I'm not the cook. For now.
Done.
What the fuck? That was so fast.
Bled.
Actually done?
Bled, we have the same timer.
There.
So, hey. Ketchup. Oh yeah.
Can't reach it though. We need a chair.
Would you see the chair
Bro, Bled.
when you got me, baby?
Yeah, what?
Look. Two of them.
Get
Two
the bread.
pan. The bread.
Oh yeah, the bread. Oh no!
Yep. There's no bread.
This bread ain't big enough for the two of us. Wait, no. This bread ain't big enough for the three of us. What's this? Oh, fuck!
At least it didn't reach the brain.
Imagine eating soaked brain. Oh, that smells so good. Wait, is that an omelet or scrambled? What the fuck are you doing in the house, Cobie?
Nothing. Okay.
What are you doing?
Okay.
Cooking egg sandwich, mama. My dad's sleeping, but my mom's not. That's enough. And then put another. Oh, it's dripping. Wait, we need to wash the pan.
Look. Just look.
Yeah, that's what I was planning. I'll have this flat one. No, wait, you're not. I'll have this one. I'm sipping on fantasy with Lina. Wait, run!
No, that's the dip.
Oh.
You have to dip it.
We gonna eat dinner tonight. Wait, what about the leftover eggs? Who's gonna eat it? Yeah, what about these leftovers, man? Sipping on romantasy. With Lean, I fell in love. I fell in love. With Lean, I fell in love. Sipping on romantasy. I'ma flip mine. Is that mold? Dude, that's fucking mold. Oh my, it's molding. Dude, we can't fucking eat this. Dude.
That's crazy.
The eggs. Be careful of the eggs. Put it in a plate. Put it in a fucking plate. Before the mold gets into the plate.
Guys, it's molding.
Dude, it's fucking mold.
Oh my god, it's still okay. It's a little bit moldy.
Wait, did the mold get on the eggs or no?
No.
Okay, grab a fork. Grab a fork, everybody. And lastly, hold this one. Hold this. Oh. There you go.
I thought ketchup was supposed to be thick.
What?
Was it liquid?
Wait, is this expired?
Wait.
Is everything expired? Oh no, it expires in June 2025. Grab a fork.
Give me a fork. We share the.
Cobie, get a fork. Wait, what about this stupid ass bread?
We're gonna share it.
No, give it to a dog.
Yeah, bro, it's molding. I'm gonna put
No,
it.
no, give it to a dog.
Dog need to survive.
Yeah.
Who's get?
Give me the bread. Give me the bread. I'm gonna be back. Y'all do the first taste if it's spicy or salty.
You taste first. You hold. You taste it first, okay? Kulang. No, it's perfect. It's actually perfect.
Yes.
Bro, we have the same fucking timer, bro.
Well, it's not the same watch. I know it looks eerily similar, but it's a different one from my collection.
Bye guys, thank you for watching and subscribe and like.